Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can use custom skins on Minecraft. So if you go towards the help page of Minecraft, you can see it shows you how you can do that. You need to just go to change your skin page in your Minecraft profile, choose either the classic or slim model. How to change your Java skin from a browser. You can always just change your Java skin from a browser as well, so it's for those. Okay, then you can choose either the classic or slim model, then scroll down to upload custom skin and then select on file, then just tap on skin file you want to use and then select upload for that. And this page pretty much covers all of it, how to change your skin from the Minecraft launcher. It shows you also the steps for Minecraft launcher as well. Other than that, Cape and Java edition, all of it. So it's all on the Minecraft help page, which is how to use custom skins Minecraft, and you'd find it on the very first page. It's already there. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.